The question of why anything exists at all, rather than nothing, is one of the most profound and enduring questions in philosophy, cosmology, and metaphysics. There are several different perspectives on this issue, each offering a different kind of explanation. Here are some key approaches. 1. Philosophical and theological approaches. God is the first cause. In many religious traditions, God is seen as the ultimate answer to this question. The idea is that God is a necessary being whose existence explains the existence of everything else. In this view, the universe exists because God created it, and God exists because he is a necessary being who cannot not exist. Principle of sufficient reason. This principle, championed by philosophers like Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, suggests that there must be an explanation for why the universe exists rather than nothing. For Leibniz, this explanation is God, but the idea that there must be some reason is broader and applies to any metaphysical system. 2. Scientific and cosmological approaches. Quantum mechanics and vacuum fluctuations. Some physicists propose that the universe could arise from nothing due to the laws of quantum mechanics. In this view, nothing is actually a quantum vacuum that still has certain properties, and fluctuations in this vacuum can lead to the creation of particles and even entire universes. Multiverse hypothesis. Some cosmologists suggest that our universe is just one of many in a multiverse. The multiverse may have different regions with different physical laws, and the existence of our universe is just one possibility out of countless others. The Big Bang. The scientific consensus is that our universe began with the Big Bang around 13.8 billion years ago. However, the question of why the Big Bang happened at all and what preceded it is still an open question. Some theories suggest that the universe could have emerged from a pre-existing state or from nothing through quantum processes. 3. Philosophical naturalism and the idea of contingency. Existence as contingent or necessary. Some philosophers argue that the existence of the universe might be contingent, meaning it could have been otherwise, and there's no necessary reason for it. Others argue that there must be something necessary at the base of reality that grounds the existence of everything else. Anthropic principle. The anthropic principle suggests that the universe must be such that it allows for the existence of observers, like humans, to ask this very question. In a sense, the universe exists as it does because we are here to observe it. This doesn't necessarily explain why there is something rather than nothing, but highlights the relationship between existence and observation. 4. Mystery and limits of human knowledge. Limits of understanding. Some philosophers, such as Immanuel Kant, argue that certain questions might be beyond the limits of human understanding. The nature of existence, or why there is something rather than nothing, could be one of those questions that we simply cannot answer definitively because our minds are not equipped to grasp the ultimate reality. In summary, while there are many ways to approach the question of why anything exists at all, none offer a fully comprehensive answer. It's a question that sits at the intersection of science, philosophy, and theology, and may ultimately remain a mystery. Subscribe.